Hello, my name is Santiago Salazar. I'm a student of financial accounting and I'm doing today my Tableau assignment, and which I wanted to explain how I did it. So first, this is this is new. Hello, my name is Santiago Salazar. I'm a student of financial accounting in USF St. Pete. My U number is 0222775. How should I say that? Hello, my name is Santiago Salazar, a student of the University of South Florida in the course of financial accounting, and today I will be doing my Tableau assignment, which I will try to explain or summarize which what I did. So the first thing was include the data set of information to the Tableau, which was passed from Microsoft Excel. And I divided it by the two sets and used it to connect them. So I just slide them and pull them so that they're connected from this set this sheet edition site. The first sheet that I did was revenue per year, in which I analyzed how much was the revenue per year, depending on filtering in three different years based on the data collected from the company. The second one I did was the total sales by quarters and years. Almost same, but divided by the quarters and how this is the fluctuation. We can see it, and I made mark with colors so that we can identify like higher colors or like darker colors, which with higher like sales revenue as shown in here. So and lighter color if less sales. In the second sheet I made, I try to show the revenue by the category given from the company. And right now it is filtered by year and division. I'm gonna show a little like how that was completed. But I just basically did it in this type of segment. For this category. So I'm gonna quickly show what I did. So to make a sheet, I just basically use any categories and put it in columns and rows specifically. I'm just gonna put two different ones. And then in the show me category, we can see like different type of elements that we can use to do it. The special ones are the ones that are highlighted that we can use. The other ones are the ones that aren't recommended. In which I will show you by this. This is the division per country and customer number. And how it's like fluctuating we can see, but the highlight is the highest recommended one. So yeah, that is how I process that. Third one I did was sales by product line. I used tree map um by using two categories, which are the product line and then the sales revenue. So two variables to create my graph, product line and sales revenue. Higher color means higher sale revenue. Like not higher, but darker color, sorry. Same as this one, but in this case would be for customers in sales. So the customer that produce or manufacture, customers that buy our products, the ones that have higher sales, less sales, difference in colors, but this one is in a horizontal bar. Um, stitch, graphic. Sorry. Same here, but with sales division and okay, now to see more of an interaction with what I've done. So this is my dashboard, and what we can see here currently is that I have two actions imposed in my on my dashboard and in my overall work book, which are the 2019. So I wanted to know like specifically on 2019 and Germany, the different variables that were going. So the customer in sales, I know which customer in specifically Germany is the higher has the higher sales, which category has the higher sales, which product line has the higher sales, and the difference with quarters of the sales revenue per quarter. And in here, I used it with Germany. But as illustrated, this is a general one, but specific for 2019. Um, and yeah, I can unhighlight 2019 in a minute so that we can see, and we can see a general of this. So okay, now it's without any general, I like this is on general with all of the information given. What is the most amount like with every year and with every country. So yeah, it's very interactive. You can use, play it, and analyze everything with your data with Tumblr. Thank you.